Hello everybody, this is Rochan here. Today let us look at a few topics from the chapter Straight Lines from mathematics part, right? So in Straight Lines, in the initial uh, chapter, we are going to learn about the definition of straight line, we are going to learn about angle of inclination, perpendicularity and parallelism, etc. But today let us look at different forms of equations of line. We already know if a line is parallel to x-axis and this is y-axis, x-axis, it means the y coordinate is constant. So y is equal to k or y is equal to minus k. It can be, the line can be this way also, below the x-axis. What I mean by y is equal to k or y is equal to minus k, for any value of x, say 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., the y value is going to be same. If it is 3, if you put x is equal to 1, y will be 3. X is equal to 2, y will be 3. X is equal to 3, y will be 3. So this is going to form a line parallel to x-axis. So if a line is parallel to x-axis, this is going to be the condition. Similarly, if a line is parallel to the y-axis, that line can be here also, that line can be here also, right? So in this case, you put any value for y, the x coordinate, the abscissa value is going to be same. If this is 2, then if you put y is 1, x is still 2, y is 2, x is still 2. So what is going to happen? You are going to get a line parallel to y axis, which means x coordinate is going to be k or going to be equal to minus k. This is the case, right? So this is about the first form of line, that is lines parallel to coordinate axis. Axis. When I say coordinate axis, it is plural. We are talking about both x and y axis. In this first case, it is parallel to x axis. In the second case, it is parallel to y axis. So this is about the first form equation of line. Now let us go to the second form of equation. The second form of equation of line, that is slope point form, right? Now we all know, say this is the coordinate axis, x axis, y axis, x dash and y dash. So say there is a line L. We know the theta measured anti-clockwise and towards the, and from the positive direction of x axis is called theta, that is angle of inclination, right? And we all know slope of the line is given by m, it is equal to tan theta. So say if theta is 30 degree here, slope of this line is going to be tan 30. If theta is 45 degree, slope of this line is going to be tan 45, right? So that is about slope of line. Now we can also find points on this line, correct? So we are going to relate the point with the slope. How can we do that? Let us look at the derivation for this. Now, what we are going to do, first consider the coordinate axis first of all. This is the y-axis, x-axis, x dash and y dash. Now, let me consider a line L. And on this line L, already a point P of x comma y is present. So in these terms, we are going to find the equation. In terms of x and y, we will have to find the equation. What I am going to do is I will take a point A, x1 comma y1 on the line. So let us just write this whatever we have constructed till now. So we have considered a line L, and I forgot to tell a point. The slope of the line, let it be m. We just discussed previously, right? Consider a line L with slope m passing through the point A of x1 comma y1. Next, let px comma y be any point on the line. Now we all know that slope of line L is given by m. And what do we write? The equation for slope having 2 points. Equation of slope of a line having 2 points. How do we write that? We know an equation that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Correct? Let me consider y2 as this, y1 as this itself, x2 as this, and x1 as this. So with respect to this, the slope of line L is going to be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to slope. From this I can write y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the equation of line in slope point form. Now let us take an example. How do we know which form of equation of line to use? Now let me give you a question. Find the equation of line through minus 2 comma 3 and with slope minus 4. Okay, this is the equation. Now, this is the question. Now they've asked us to find the equation of this line. They have given a point, they have given the slope. So you should understand that we should be using slope point form. So first of all, you should write the given. Let point A be equal to minus 2 comma 3 and m is equal to minus 4. So this is going to become x1, this is going to become y1. We know that y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 from slope point form of equation, slope point form of line, right? So y minus y1 is equal to m is minus 4 into x minus of minus plus 2. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. Make the f coefficient of x positive. So 4x, bringing it this side, plus y. If you bring this side, it is going to become plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of line. This is how we use the slope point form. I hope you have understood the derivation, a small derivation, as well as an illustration question. Right? So the next other points, 2-point form, slope intercept form and normal form, we will do it in the upcoming recordings. So thank you so much.